We are pleased to show you the 2016 XJ. The Jaguar XJ has a strong, refined V8 engine, and the 6-speed automatic was very smooth, a true leader in their class, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.